Okay, so once people are on your list, this is what we're gonna do to them, right? Assuming they came from a lead magnet, we have the acknowledgement and download email. Right, this is the first email. The second type of emails is the get to know you email. Okay, I'll explain each one of this. I just want to give you an overview. And the third type of email you send to them is nurturing emails. And the fourth type is where you get the sale. So these are called the sales emails. I'll just keep it simple. Okay.
If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and if you got any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.
Acknowledgement email is very, very simple. It's all about just thanking them for taking action, for downloading your lead magnet. All right, that is the first thing you need to do in your acknowledgement email. Thank them. Second thing is to re-emphasize how valuable the download is, okay, how it can help them so that they will consume it straight away, and a call to action to actually download the free lead magnet. And you'll be surprised, right? A lot of people sign up for stuff and they don't actually download the free report. I've had so many of them before. Like I think at least about 20 to 30% of people who sign up don't actually bother clicking the download. It's like, I don't understand why, but yeah. So you need to make sure you have that in your email to tell them, hey, go now and click the download here. And you may want to follow up with them if they haven't clicked on the download link. So you can set that all up automatically, that your email system will actually tell them, hey, just making sure you downloaded the report. Here it is again, here's a link, blah, blah, blah. So you can set that up in your email system. That's why you don't want to use an Excel sheet, because you can't track, okay? Too many for you to track. Okay, so let me give you one example here. So this is one we use for a client, okay, which we just did like 2 weeks ago. Okay, so here's 5 easy ways to make online learning stick. Hey, thanks for downloading this report. Sudden shift to online classes requires new strategies. Hope these 5 easy ways will help you make online stick for all your students. So this is targeting teachers. This is a free download for teachers. Simply click the button below for your free ebook, okay? And then actually tell them how to use it, right? We have the button here to download, and tell them how to use it. Download the ebook, print it out, read it, keep it as quick reference, and you will get results, okay? So we're emphasizing the value, again, of the free report. Okay, so this one, we didn't design this report. The client did it themselves. So it's kind of long. I wish we had done a shorter one. But yeah, I guess that's what they wanted. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, so and then we asked them to share as well. So this is something you can do, to ask them to share this report with other people, and we'll be sending out a few useful emails to support you in the next few days, right? So that's where we go into the next sequence in the email sequence, all right? Okay, so, oh, I didn't do the thing. Anyway, okay, so the second type of emails is the get to know you emails, which is also known as the indoctrination emails. So basically, this is a series of 5 emails that are sent out automatically by your email system once people sign up to your lead magnet, okay? So the first email is like saying, welcome to the family. Second email is talking about, I think here it's also good to talk about your history, where you come from, and also if it's not talking about your personal history, talk about your company's history, where your company came from and all that, and then give a piece of useful content. In email 3, you give out a second piece of useful content. Email 4, you give out a third piece of useful content, which normally is a blog post that we've written before. And email 5 may be a case study of how you helped someone that is likely to be in their position. So you're doing a bit of soft selling in email 5, but the previous 4 emails is just pretty much being useful, okay? So these emails are getting sent out automatically. All right, so let me give you an example, okay? So this is like the first email that goes out. All right, so if you go to the previous page, okay, so this is the welcome to the family email. So let me just quickly read this. Just want to extend a warm welcome to you from Radical Marketing. Good news is you should have received a free copy of the infographic. If not, simply hit reply to this button and we'll be sure to get it out to you. And then we talk about, okay, so now you've got this lead magnet. The problem is internet marketing is still constantly changing. Right? And that's why we want to keep you we want to be responsible and keep you updated as to what's happening. So we're sending out a newsletter to you and that will answer the biggest, baddest questions about internet marketing. And of course, you can unsubscribe at any time, right? So, you're positioning yourself as the helpful person, right? When I'm doing this, I'm positioning myself as being of assistance, being of help, right? Rather than saying, oh, because you sign up for this thing, I will, you now on my email list, expect to receive emails. But no, give an excuse as to why you're going to send them out newsletters, right? A good excuse is because it's for them, okay? And yeah, ask them to whitelist your email, right? And basically, ask them to watch out for all these cool things that are coming your way, that they can, how to lower their ad cost. So speak to the benefits as well, okay? So I'm just giving you a quick rundown because, this is quite a long email. And then just a quick history about us, okay, down here. And then we talk about, what they're gonna get, and just basically warm and fuzzy stuff. Okay, that's the whole first email. Okay, so you will get, this is just the first email. We're gonna upload the other 4 emails for you as templates as well. Okay.
If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and if you got any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.